Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is going to be a mix of Shein or whatever you want to call it, and a few bits and bobs from AliExpress. Now, a lot of these things are makeup related, and I also have another Shein haul that I probably will do in the coming days once the other package arrives. But I'm here to unbox everything because it just arrived and it's video worthy. So without further ado, let's just get into it. So if you're not aware, I am starting up my makeup artistry journey again. I did go on a bit of a hiatus for a little bit because I had Riley, becoming a new mom and everything. There was a lot of things that I had to see what I would kind of put first, and again with everything that went on, I took a little break. Obviously it does take a long time to rebuild a brand new kit from scratch. Obviously trends change, things change, makeup changes, makeup expires, and obviously you need new makeup, new stuff, new everything, and it does take a while. But I think I'm nearly there. I think my kit is nearly there. I do have somewhere here, I've got my new kit bag, which is good when I'm on call and everything like that. But I'm going to show you guys what I picked up, so let's go into it. So from AliExpress, I actually did get a few bits. Not everything has arrived, but I will probably film the couple of bits that have not arrived in the next Shein haul that I do get, because if I'm not mistaken, the next haul that I have with Shein is mainly makeup. I don't think I've got anything for Riley, but this one I do have a few things for Riley, so I just thought I would just show you guys these as well while we're here. So I did get a few of these container boxes, hoping that they will fit my like disposable spoolies and stuff like that. From what I can see, they fit both sizes. Yes, so they do fit both sizes, which is great because I didn't know which one would be ideal, so I got two different sizes. This one has a blue thing and then this one's like clear. This one's thinner than this, and obviously I'm more of a compact kind of girly to this, but we'll see. I'm going to do a video on this probably, of like me actually like filling up my kit and everything. That's another video. But yes, I'm very happy with them. They were inexpensive. If you guys want any links or anything, just comment down below and I will gladly find you the links. I did also pick up this. A lot of people have been using these on their phones and stuff like that. So it's literally just like a little clip that you clip onto your phone and then you can charge it. And I think so basically when you're filming TikToks, Instagrams or whatever with your phone, you have the little thingamajig there, different settings, different modes. I thought I'd pick one up because you never know, especially when taking selfies and stuff. It would be ideal to have. So that's the little AliExpress haul. I think this was about $4 something. Don't ask me how much these were because I can't remember exactly, but if you want to know any prices, just comment down below and I will gladly tell you, because that's not an issue at all. Let's go into the Shein haul. Now with the Shein haul, I do have a little bit of stuff for Riley. Since she is starting school, I did just pick up a few bits and bobs. I got her Halloween outfit, I got her a Christmas jumper because I thought it was really cute, and a few bits and bobs for school. So I'm gonna, whatever comes out, I will show you. So the first one is actually her Halloween outfit. Again, I think these were very inexpensive, under 10 euros. Just really cute. And the thing is with Riley, she's particular with what she'll wear, so I tried to make sure that it was just an easy little outfit. So this is the outfit. So it's got bats. She loves orange, so she's gonna love this. It's got a little tulle skirt. So that's the cute outfit, and it's got like a little bow in the front as well, which I thought was really cute. Again, inexpensive. When it comes to like Halloween costumes, I don't like, I think last year we did the witchy outfit, and the one before we had the same outfit, but she was sick, so we didn't go out. But this year I want to make sure it was ready, so I just got her that. Just a little witchy dress. Witchy, like not really like a theme, but I just thought it'd be really cute. And then I actually got her another top. I might as well show them to you first. So this is just a Christmas jumper. Again, I think it was under 10 euros. Realizing that this is a mix of white and red, and this is going to be a nightmare to wash, but I probably will just wash it in like literally like hand wash it. But it's just so cute because I'm scared that the red is going to go onto the white, but it's really cute. It's got a little Santa in the middle. Really cute. It's 2 to 3 years. It looks bigger than the actual age it says, so it's 2 to 3. In my opinion, this would be more of a 3 to 4. But it's really cute, and we love Christmas jumpers here in our household, so I had to get her a cute one. Again, inexpensive. If you need the link, just let me know and I'll gladly show it. What do we have? We have black tights to go with her Halloween outfit. Again, just normal black tights. I got the 2 to 4 years, and they're pretty much ribbed. I just think they're really good. Nice. The actual quality is actually quite good. I've never really bought from Shein before. This is pretty much my first proper like clothing stuff that I got for her. Interesting. I don't think I got anything for myself really, but whilst we're there, we got her that. Oh yeah, we got her a little clip. This is just a Halloween clip to put on her hair with the outfit. I'm not sure if they do anything for school, but if not, it will be something that we will use when we take her out for Halloween. So this is just a little clip to go in her hair, and it's just adorable. Again, I'm sure it was inexpensive. There's always so many coupons going on Shein, so trying to get rid of anything that has to do with Riley before going into anything else. I did pick up these, which are like Frozen themed, because since her birthday is in December, I'm not sure what kind of theme I will be doing for her birthday, but obviously since she'll be at school, not on her birthday because her birthday is a public holiday, but during the time of school, I always like to take something in, and a goodie bag for the kids in her class. So I thought I'd make some bubbles because Riley's obsessed with bubbles, and there's for boys and for girls, because there's the lilacs for girls and the whites for girls, and then there's the blues for the boys. So once I know exactly how the class is going to be, I'll know how to position those and see which one goes to who. I did get her some socks. I love frilly socks. I got them in 2 sizes if I'm not mistaken. I got 4 to 6, and I did get a smaller size, which is 1 to 3. So I'm not sure what would be ideal for her size when it comes to her feet. And you get 2 pairs, if not more. I don't know how many you get in here actually. Can't remember how many you get. There's probably more than that actually. Very good price for them. I normally get them from Primark, but I forgot to buy more for school. Not sure if these are overkill, but they're really, really cute. Like, the frills are so cute. And obviously Riley there's 1, 2, oh, there's 4 pairs in a pack. You get 4 pairs in a pack. I've got 2 different sizes because I want to see which size would be better for her, because she's very small feet. She's a very small feet person. So we took a while just to find things for her. More hair ties, because you can never run out of hair ties, and it's navy for her uniform. So I got a pack of 100 if I'm not mistaken. I'm sure this is a pack of 100. Really inexpensive, really cheap, and I think Shein's the best place to get these school supplies, because you never know what you're gonna find. And then I got her some clips. So these are the little navy clips to go with those. Again, inexpensive, can't go wrong with school stuff. And then we got some makeup stuff. So let's go into the makeup stuff. I got a pack of the little mini beauty blenders that are really good for under the eyes and little touch-ups like concealer and stuff. So this is basically makeup artistry stuff. I'm sure it's the pack of 50. I don't think this is a pack of 100. I think it's a pack of 50. Don't quote me, I will let you guys know. But again, inexpensive. I did get, I think this is a pack of 50 or 48. Powder puffs, I got them in black because I actually have the pink ones. I'm not sure if I got the pack of 100 or pack of 50. But I decided to get some black ones as well because I find black is more professional, and it's nice to have pink and black. I think I tend to go for those colours regardless, so bought those. And lastly, you can't go wrong with beauty blenders. Now these are such a gorgeous colour. I normally go for black ones, and I think I have purchased a massive bulk of black ones, but these were a really good price. I'm sure this is a pack of 48 or less. I can't remember how many there are, but I just really love the colors. And again, these I tend to use one per client. I'm not one of reusables and then just give it to the client. I also need to get the little plastic cup to go with the beauty blender when giving them out, so that's something I need to actually go ahead and purchase because I forgot to purchase them. I don't think I even purchased that with the next Shein order, but I need to get a little packaging thing for them because these can go, yeah, these can transfer, especially if you're going to give it back to the client. Because for me, you get a beauty blender, you keep it. I don't wash it and put it on another client because it's just not me. Same with the powder puffs. I like to give them to the client because I've used it on you, you can reuse it, you can wash it, you can use it again. I wouldn't reuse this on another client. They're inexpensive to buy and it's always nice to give back to the client. So there's always touch-up kits with my clients. So that's that. Same with the little mini. If they want the mini, they can have a mini. So if I've used the mini on you, you can keep it if you want it. But that is my Shein haul. That was quite a good amount of Shein stuff from Shein. The second haul is bigger. I think I did go a bit all out on the second stuff, but it's mainly on makeup. So if you like beauty stuff related, makeup artistry related stuff, you're gonna like the next Shein haul that I will film once they arrive. I would say that's gonna be like a week and a half time, unless anything happens. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We love a Shein haul. I love watching them. They're fun, they're exciting, they're inexpensive, and there's some really good stuff there, and it doesn't take a long while to arrive. The shipping was inexpensive actually. I think I paid around under 60 euros for all this, and the shipping was about under 5 euros. So we can't complain, can we? And it didn't take probably about a week. It took, I think, about a week to arrive, so that's not bad as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this. It's a mixture of things. So we had toddler, beauty, school stuff. Yeah, that's just the way of the new life is now. It's not just beauty, it's a bit of everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you very soon. Goodbye everyone.